In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $347 with 48 cents on Facebook with one video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So a few months ago I posted this video and over 50,000 people have watched that video so far. Basically in that video I show you exactly how you can start making money on Facebook using your own videos. Very similar to how YouTube works, where you show ads on your YouTube videos and you make money for every 1,000 views. The same way it works on Facebook, and not a lot of people knew about it since I posted that video. So today I want to give you a quick update on one of my most successful videos so far. This video that I uploaded just 4 or 5 days ago received over 200,000 views in a matter of a few days, and so it made me over $347 in ad revenue using Facebook. So I'm going to show you exactly the stats on just a minute. But before we jump to the video, be sure that if you haven't downloaded my free affiliate marketing guide, go ahead and download it. It's 100% free. It'll show you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing and how you can build an income to $100 per day, $200 per day or more by using affiliate marketing. Now, the best part about the video that made me $347 is that it's not my video. That's a video that I actually pulled from YouTube, and I'm gonna explain the process that I used to find that video and how you can do the same thing if you're building a Facebook page and you're looking for content. The best way to do it is to build your Facebook page first to maybe 10, 50,000 to 100,000 likes. But basically, the more likes that you have on your Facebook page, the easier it will be for you to actually find viral content for your Facebook pages, and the easier it will be for you to actually make money with your own videos. All right, so enough talk, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna jump into my computer so I can show you the stats. All right guys, so I'm inside my Facebook Creator Studio, and if you've been approved for the Facebook Ad Breaks program, this is something that you get access to from within your Facebook page. You're gonna find a link on the top of your page. It says Creator Studio. When you click on it, it'll take you to a page like this. This is where you can see all the videos that you have monetized, the videos that are in review, and basically all the content and insights and information about, payout, how much money you're making, and all that information. So what I did is I opened the video, the stats for the video that I uploaded a few days ago. It's been about 4.5 days, maybe 5 days. I don't quite remember when, but basically these were the stats so far. And as you can see, it generated $347 with 48 cents out of 69,215 ad impressions. Now keep in mind that the video received over 200,000 views so far. So that means that only 69,000 of those views were actually monetized. So the rest, I didn't actually make any money for the other views. Most of the impressions came from countries like the US, Canada, and other countries, but in some countries this is still not available, so they won't actually play an ad on every single view that you get. Let me explain quickly the process of getting a video monetized. First, you need to find a video related to your niche. So if you have a Facebook page that shows viral videos or funny videos, then you need to find videos related to that niche. You can't post videos about makeup, you can't post videos about anything else but that niche. The second thing is that the videos need to be 3 minutes long. You can't monetize videos on Facebook that are less than 3 minutes. So I try to find as many videos as I can that are at least 3 minutes long. The thing is, you gotta have a large Facebook page. You have more potential of actually going viral if you have over 100,000 likes on Facebook. So if you only have 10,000 likes on Facebook, there's a possibility that you can go viral, but it's actually more difficult because you don't have a large audience. So what I like to do is, if you have a bigger Facebook page with 500,000 likes like I do, then you can simply post a couple videos per day, and perhaps one of those videos will actually go viral or get 50,000 views or 100,000 views, and that keeps adding up because the more videos you have at the end of the month, that is a nice chunk of money. So for this specific video, this is not my video. What I did is I found the video on YouTube. I actually reached out to the owner on YouTube and I told him, hey, can we use the video and share it on our Facebook page? We'll actually credit you and point a link back to your YouTube channel so you can get followers on your YouTube channel and get more views. Well, the person said yes, because the page where the videos was going to be posted has over 500,000 likes. So of course the person is more likely to say yes because they see the potential of you actually sending them subscribers and views to their own video. This is why having a Facebook page with over 100,000 likes, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to reach out to YouTubers and YouTube channels who have a video that you want to use who doesn't have a large following on YouTube. You can say, hey, I can help you get subscribers, get more views. If you allow me to use your video on our Facebook page, we'll point a link back to your YouTube channel, and that way you'll get subscribers and we'll be able to get engagement. Most of the time people will say yes. In some cases they don't want to do that, but that's fine. You just look for other videos. There's millions of videos on YouTube and other websites out there every single day, so you don't have to stick to YouTube. Now there's another tool that I like to use to find trending stories and videos, and it's called BuzzSumo. And what this platform actually does is that it locates the top stories and videos and content online, specifically on Facebook, that is actually trending with thousands and thousands of people sharing that content on a daily basis. So you can see the top stories for the past 24 hours. The cool thing about this is that you can go and actually categorize it by video, and you can get basically the top trending videos online. So you can get ideas on what's trending. You can look for similar videos on a specific topic. You can look for videos on a specific topic if you wanted to do that. So it'll give you a bunch of ideas on what type of videos you want to look for. So the tool is called BuzzSumo. It's not a free tool. You do have to pay for it on a monthly basis, but I think it's worth it, mainly because you get access to what's really trending online, all in one platform. All right, so as you can see, $347 for one video is not bad at all. Now, this doesn't actually happen every single week. We post videos basically almost on a daily basis, but not every video gets 200,000 views, and it makes us $347. So it's all about finding that video that has the potential to make you, $500, $1,000 with a single video, because it continues to get views and shares and likes. And so far, even though this video was posted a few days ago, it continues to get 10, 20, 30,000 views per day. So that's gonna keep piling up and keep adding to that amount of money. Now, again, like I said, if you want to know how you can start monetizing your videos on Facebook, be sure to watch this video. It'll explain exactly how you can actually do that with your own Facebook page and how much money you can make. Basically, it's all about where your audience is located on Facebook. If you have your audience in the US, in tier 1 countries, then you're most likely to get a higher CPM, meaning that you'll be able to make more money for every 1,000 views on Facebook. So guys, I really do hope that this video was helpful. I just wanted to give you a quick update and show you that yes, I'm still making money with the Facebook Ad Breaks program, and yes, you can make money with the Facebook Ad Breaks program as long as you're consistent, you keep finding good videos, and you keep uploading on a weekly or daily basis. Sooner or later, you will hit a video that can get you 200,000, 300,000 views and can make you a nice chunk of money. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.